Sophia Jewelry honors your story, and we have the jewelry just for you. Sparkline, timeless minimalism. These are basic and minimalist jewelry items to complete your work outfit.
Congratulations on your 30th anniversary, and congratulations also to your relaunching here in Limkit Kai South Concourse, Sophia Jewelry.
Congratulations!
To my Sophia family, congratulations on your grand relaunch here in Cagayan de Oro. I'm so happy for you guys, and I've been waiting for this one, and I hope that there will be more people to be inspired, especially that Sophia is really standing their principles and that honor your story. Congratulations to my Sophia family.
To the team leaders, to the management, to the staff of Sophia Jewelry, we wish you all the best. We wish you more success. Congratulations, good luck, and more power to the entire staff or management of Sophia Jewelry.
Congratulations for the relaunching of Sophia Jewelry. Continue to be an inspiration to the Filipino people.
I personally choose store because elegance, the style, and the designs, I love it so much. That's why I'd like to invite all the shoppers out there to try visit Sophia Jewelry. And aside from that, the staff are also very accommodating. So come and visit, everyone!
Thank you, Sophia, for inviting us. Maganda talaga yung mga jewelry nila at saka unique yung mga style po. Super ganda talaga. Thank you!